Hi friends, welcome to Sajita's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. Due to today's scenario of lockdown which we are in these days, many of us are looking for a one-pot recipe. And today I'm here with a healthy recipe which is known as the dish of India, that is Dal Khichdi, which will help us to boost our immunity. So let's get started. Ingredients required to prepare Dal Khichdi are 1 big onion, 1 tomato, 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, few green peas, few beans, 2 bay leaf, cumin, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon each, rice, toor dal and moong dal in 2:1 ratio, 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of toor dal and moong dal. So now let's start preparing the Dal Khichdi. I've taken a cooker, 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll add the onions. 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's saute the onions. Once the onions have become little golden brown, we'll add the tomatoes. Dal Khichdi is ready. Please do try it home. Please do not forget to like, share and especially subscribe my videos. Stay at home, be safe, eat healthy, Jai Hind.